No, back away from there. I don't want to be over there. Okay. No problem. Are you gonna give me some space? No, probably not. Okay. Alright, it's already limited anyway. Let's okay. Oh, thank you. I appreciate you. Alright. So, here we are. Hip on the foam roller, bending my knee, crossing my foot. Hard to see. Hey, no. That's right. Hey, get over here. Get down. Calm down. Let's try the back. Okay, from the back. I'm sitting on the ground first. Place my feet back on the foam roller, support my neck, and don't you do it. And you're rolling up. Now my knees, they're doing a lot of good work here. They're lifting my hips up, and they're stabilizing my position. My other hand's down. No. Get back. Hey, no, that's not for you either. Go on. Hey, talk it out, walk it out, or go lay down. Come on. All right. And sometimes you might feel your back pop. All right. Oh, okay. You're good. Okay. No. This is not a party. Thank you. All right. Again, make sure that your neck is supported. There's your mid back. That's some good work there.